Alright, Julian, your 427 Ford FE. Scriptless combination. It's got a custom grind solid roller. Harland Share rock arm. Got the Edelbrock heads. Edelbrock manifold, split fuel carburetor, and a C4 billet. Moroso front sub pawl pin. It's got a Eagle crank and rods. Custom Racetec Pistons. We're going to make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 489 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 496, peak horsepower 477. Rated 470, so everything's good. We'll do now, pull the pipes back, make sure the exhaust is good and clean, show you a couple of things. See if you're going to find this thing looks like a credit card, USB card, full of technical information. I recommend watching along. On the engine, will be this tag, you'll have your engine numbers, some other stuff. Anything from us, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over. Got a QR code that'll take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.